So in today's short, quick little video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my instant Quaker Oats Oatmeal. This flavor is the apples and cinnamon. Now, of course, you've got your directions here on the side, but I'm going to go through step by step on how I like to make this stuff. Now, as for the directions, what it comes with, you have the option of either microwaving this stuff or doing it like with boiling hot water. In our case, today we're going to be doing this with a kettle. We're going to boil some water, and then we're going to pour the water into here. We're going to let it sit for a minute or two, and we'll take it from there. So we are going to add around half a cup or 75 milliliters of either room temperature water or refrigerated water. And we are going to be bringing this to a boil at a temperature of 190 degrees. Okay, now that our water is finished boiling, we're going to add a little bit of it to our oatmeal. You can add as much as you like. I guess the more you add, the thicker it will become. But you don't have to add a whole lot. So we're going to let that sit for about a minute. And I can already smell it. Woohoo! My taste buds are a-tingling. Oh my, the smell of apples and cinnamon. It brings a little autumn scent into the air, even though it's winter time. Alright, now of course, depending on how you like your porridge / oatmeal, the amount of water is totally up to you, but as we can see, it is complete now, and I'm gonna have a bite. Absolutely delicious, folks. So that is how I make my Quaker Oats instant oatmeal, apples and cinnamon. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.
Go grab yourself some oatmeal.